The day started early for employees of PSC, a utility company headquartered in Texas. The contractors are among the thousands who've arrived to help restore electricity to customers of Appalachian Power.
We got here on Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, we've seen a lot of down trees, a lot of power lines down out in the country, out in the boonies.
How does this compare to Texas?
Oh, it doesn't compare at all. The view, the scenery, most of the trees are big, so.
Man, rough terrain. We're out in the mountains. We're not used to it. Down wire our trees over the wire, so we've got to walk all this mountain area. It's pretty, but man, it's tough to work in.
Well, I love what I do, so that's the first thing. And I've been doing this industry for a long time, so.
What does it mean to help people?
A lot. When you see a kid or somebody say thank you to you, or put out a cardboard on your truck saying thanks, that's our pay.